You guys have an option on your note card. You can respond to the question like you normally would in a written paragraph, or you can just respond in a sentence and then draw something to accompany it. Okay, Bella, did you get that?
Yeah.
The directions are written up here in case you need to refer to them again. The question: when and how should governments intervene in the economy to promote fairness, growth, or stability?
You said one sentence?
With the drawing, if you choose that option. All right, you guys still got about 8-9 minutes. To kind of help you guys out with your thoughts, because I understand this is the first class of the day, you guys are pretty tired. Think about, how does government intervene in the economy today to help with fairness, growth, and stability? I can think of a few examples. Do you guys know that in the preamble of the United States Constitution, that one of the reasons for the Constitution is to promote the general welfare of the public? You guys know that that's a government economic influence? You guys know what welfare is, or what it can be for some people? Yeah? Our Constitution guarantees that in the first sentence, that that's one of the reasons for the Constitution is to promote the general welfare. Cool. Put your name on it. Make sure you write your name on your card.
Sure.
Oh, I see. All right, make sure your names are on cards. Pass them down that way, and I'll come by and collect them. Okay, real quick. Turn and talk to your neighbors and ask them what their response was and share what your response was after. Okay? Just that what was your response? Roberto, ask Francisco, Kingston, Elise, Kayla, Reina, Cadence, you can ask April, And Amelia, you can ask. How was your response?
What was your okay, you guys do what if you guys want like the only there?
That's not bad. Keep looking on, okay? So that they control. Right, so basically. All right, about 15 seconds. All right. Would anybody like to share what they wrote on their card? No? No? What if I read from your card?
Oh, yeah.
Don't say no. No.
Keep them anonymous.
Keep it anonymous?
What are your
Anonymous?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna read 3 cards. 3.
Yeah.
Alright, first card. I like this one. I like all of them. I was reading them. There's some good answers. This one says, but real quick, let's reread the question. When and how should governments intervene in the economy to promote fairness, growth, and stability? They should let the food be free and let everyone have a house, even if it's a small apartment. People should not be homeless and have somewhere to sleep.
Who made that?
Okay?
Get a job.
Very good.
Get a job.
Let's see. There was another answer in here that was interesting. I want to pull that one out.
Okay.
See if I can find it. Real quick, what kind of economy involves the government? If the government is making economic decisions, what kind of economy is that called? A command economy, what's the other one? Mixed economy, okay? Command economy is where the government makes how much of the economic decisions? Cadence? In a command economy, how many of the economic decisions, who makes the final economic decisions in a command economy? Like, who gets the final say? The government, okay? Well, what about in a mixed economy? How is it different? The government and who's the other, what else is involved in a mixed economy? What's that? Citizens running what? Running a... But how? What do they own downtown in a little building that you go to get your haircut? A business, yes. A businesses and private companies in a mixed economy. Alright, what type of economy are we in? The United States is in a mixed economy, yes. And what type of economy would be North Korea? Let's say North Korea. Command economy, why? The government makes decisions. Now let's talk about types of government that seem to go in line with the command economy. What's the type of government that goes in line with the command economy? Think about types of government. We got representative democracies, direct democracy, oligarchy, dictatorship. Okay, which one would be kind of paired up with the command economy? Which of those government types? Representative democracy, not quite. A dictatorship. Why? Ari? Why? What is a dictatorship? What happens under a dictator, Amelia? You don't know? guys know you guys are just tired. Morning time. Dictator makes how much of the decisions? All of the decisions are
I think I need a
the
president.
buck stops with the dictator, right?
I think I need a president.
Right.
Yeah, I think I need to
I think I need to turn on light speed.
No, I think I need a president.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's another one.
They agree to.
Yeah.
We need reference.
Yeah, because we get, president.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I see you as a president.
Alright, here's another answer that was written. When and how should governments intervene in the economy to promote fairness, growth, or stability? They should promote fairness by making sure nobody has too much power. This helps a lot and helps with fairness. They promote growth by keeping factories running and other things. Stability can be achieved by keeping everything stable. Okay, the sentence here that stood out to me was that nobody has too much power. What types of government limit power from one person? Okay, oligarchy limits power from one person, but oligarchy is ruled by a few. But under a representative democracy, the rule comes from the people who vote for their representatives who go and run the government. Does that make sense? Okay? Oh, you guys are tired, sorry. I think I need to wake you up.
Okay, here we have a president.
We're gonna do a gim kit.
No.
Yeah. Okay. Hey guys, data conversation real quick. Last time you guys hit benchmark, which is great. So you hit 80% on the last unit. That's great. Today we're taking our next unit test, wrapping this unit up. You guys, we're at 42% for pre-test. 42%, you can easily beat that. It's higher than the last pre-test, so that's already a good sign. Okay? Computers out. Government and economic systems. No, this is good. Hey, let's take the top 3 that you guys struggled with, and let me give you those answers and explain why. These are the 3 that you guys did the best on. Which of the following is a type of government? They all were. Which country is a modern example of a command economy? You guys, that was pretty straightforward. And then choose the best economic definition for monopoly. That's the one where they control all of that industry. Let's say it's steel, and they control all the steel production, right? All right, the 3 you struggled with. Best definition for market economy. What just so happens, and I need to remember to take these down. Market economy. Most goods and services are offered by private companies. Okay, so that's not a mixed economy. Don't get that confused. It is not a mixed economy. It is completely private. There is no government involvement in a true market economy. Next one. What is a true free market economy? So I can see you guys are struggling with the market economy. Companies compete against each other with no government interference at all. Market economy. No government, all business, all private companies, individuals. And then the third one, choose the best definition for a command economy. That's where the government does all the decisions. They offer all goods and services and decides what those goods and services will cost. All right, let's do one more. And then I can't. We're limited to these ones. Last one. I'm gonna have a small group over here. Okay, while you guys are doing this, I'm gonna have a small group. If you want to join that small group to be prepared for this test, please come sit over here. Roberto, Kingston, you're gonna be in a small group. Everybody else, Francisco, I'd like you to be in a small group too. Anybody else wants to join, you can. A king or a queen. That's one person in charge, right? Okay, what's the name of that? Starts with the letter M. A monarch, yeah, a monarch. Okay, that's ruled by one. Now, if that person was not a king, but that one person was in charge, it's called dictatorship. Okay? Can an autocratic government only exist as a monarchy? No, it can exist as a what? As a dictatorship. It's different. Does that make sense? I can have a couple take the test in the hallway if it's absolute need. Absolute.
Hey, I have to do a paper, bro. Hey, I have to do a paper, bro.
I was asking, they were giving me a hard time.
Alright, okay. Alright, be real with me. This will actually help you be better on this test. Raise your hand. Yes. Okay? Alright, Raina, I'm trusting you. And
Don't trust Rena. I know what she done.
and Josiah.
That's
Alright? Hey,
Oh, wait,
you guys meet me by the door. Everyone else go to Google Classroom. Who needs a paper?
Wait, why are some people taking?
How do I do it on the computer?
Yo, hi, Dre.
Okay. What's up, Jay?
Thank you.
Is it locked?
Okay. Alright, everybody go to your Google Classroom.
Hey, Mr. How am I supposed to do the bell work? Mister,
What's up?
how am I supposed to do the bell work?
Don't worry about Bellward.
Mr. Palmer. Table over there.
Put your name on the paper. We're gonna talk about it later.
You see the score?
Hi, Dre.
Okay, alright, everybody lower the volume before I post the test.
What's my pass?
Hey, what's my email?
Hey, I am on Lightspeed. I am monitoring your screens. I will be walking around checking on you, keeping an eye out for the two in the hall. Just go ahead and find a table, Raina.